Hi guys! Welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. So for my today's content guys, sorry I will speak Tagalog. So try to understand guys, I will speak Taglish. So for my today's content, my topic is why I feel safe here in Singapore. Why I feel safe here in Singapore even I work as a nurse during COVID-19 pandemic. So why? Ano bang reason? Why? What's the reason? So I will tell you the reason why. I will tell you the reason why now. Okay? So first in my list is because during when they started giving the vaccine, guys, healthcare workers and elderly is the first in line to receive the vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine. So thank you Singapore for having this free vaccine. Thank you very much. Thank you. By the way guys, the vaccine, 2 jabs pala yun. Dalawang beses kang i-injectan. 2 times you will be injected. Okay? So that 2 times guys, so far no side effect. 2 times but in different days by the way guys. I think 21 days interval. If I still remember. So that is my first in my list. Ano ba? I don't know if in my list or on my list. So anyways, whatever it is, so that is the reason why I feel safe. Thank you by the way again Singapore. So next is second in my list is because of the personal protective equipment. By the way, in Singapore, they have a lot of supplies of personal protective equipment. So for those who doesn't know what is personal protective equipment, this equipment includes mask, eye shield, gown, and gloves. So during COVID, when I'm handling a COVID patient, I will wear all of this to protect myself. Okay? I've seen in other news by the way guys, in other country, I will not say which country is it, but I think that is first world country also. They use only the plastic apron. Here in Singapore also a first world country. We are really equipped, especially if we handle a COVID patient or query a COVID positive patient. So by the way guys, for those who doesn't know, I handle also COVID positive patient before when the time that the cases here in Singapore is still on peak, nung madami pa, still on high. So that time I really feel safe because we have a lot of PPE. And by the way guys, now the latest rule, whenever we go to the ward, I mean now I'm not in COVID ward, but whenever inside the ward and starting to work, we need to use N95 guys. N95 mask. So only surgical mask when outside of work. When outside of work, of course. So that is the second reason why I feel safe here in Singapore working as a nurse. Third on my list guys, by the way, dito sa Singapore, here in Singapore, we need to submit our health declaration twice a day. So we need to submit our temperature and we need to inform them if we are sick. Example, if we have fever, we have cough, we have sore throat, we have runny nose, etc. and etc. So I believe that it's a good prevention guys. Magandang prevention to guys, para they can detect early if that person has COVID. So that's the reason why I feel safe here. So that is my third on my list. So fourth on my list is I will show you what is on or in. This in and on. I always mix up. Anyways, I don't care. So fourth on my list is this one, trace together. So this trace together guys, we need to bring this every day. It's like our underwear. So whenever we go out, whenever we go at work, we always need to have this. We always need to bring this because this one have it will detect. It's like your pass when you go to a mall, when you go to your work. So you need to scan. It will make a sound like toot. No lah. So pag I cannot, my English is already so guys, so if you pupunta ka sa mall, punta ka sa workplace mo, need mo siyang dalhin kasi doon kailangan mo siya i-scan para ma-detect ka kung saan, which place where you go. I mean kung saan ka nagpunta, matitrace ka kagad nila kung saan ka nagpunta-punta in case na maging positive ka. And also they will trace also here if you encounter any COVID positive person. So very good, right? They can detect you, they can trace easily. So the contact tracing system here is very fast, very fast, very fast. What else? I'm thinking what else. So next on my list, I forgot already which number am I. So recently, all healthcare workers, even vaccinated guys, we need to do swab, COVID swab. We need to be swab. So they need to check if we are positive or negative. So actually, I had my fourth time already. They did swab to me. So lucky, thank you Lord, that my result is all negative. All negative. It's good thing also, it's a prevention, so they can detect fast. It's good for us lah. It's good for us because especially for me, I'm working in hospital, so they really need to check us frequently. Okay. So guys, additional info like what I said, for us nurses, we do once a week swab. They want to know if we're positive or negative, right? So not only nurse, no. So example guys, we have one patient and the relative want to visit. So we need to inform that relative if they want to exceed 20 minutes of visiting hour, then we will advise to that person to do the antigen rapid test first before coming in the ward. So they need to be swabbed first before coming in the ward. So they need to do that antigen rapid test. And the good news about this antigen rapid test, the relative no need to pay. It is free of charge. So the Ministry of Health here in Singapore will shoulder the expenses for this. And additional info about antigen rapid test. So once they do swab to you, it will just take 20 minutes to see the result. And the result is valid for 24 hours. Comparing to normal COVID-19 swab test, it will take 1 to 2 days before you will see the result. That's why they call it rapid test. That's a good thing also, right? So feeling mo safe na safe ka talaga. Kasi alam mo, pag yung mga bisita na pupunta sa ward nyo, negative sila. Doon malalaman na kagad, diba? Next is social distancing. So here in Singapore, by the way, they have safe distance ambassador, SDA. Wait, I will search first. Wait, I need to use my phone because I use only my phone. I will say first what is that safe distancing ambassador. Search already. So here in Singapore, guys, they have safe distancing ambassador. So these people will check if example we inside the mall, if we follow the social distancing. So if you don't follow, they will approach you, they will warn you first that to wear mask, social distancing, etc. and etc. So if you don't if you still do the same, if you never follow, of course, then they will fine you. They always wear red color. They said it's like a red ant. So whenever I see them, I will totally distance myself. They are quite nice. Actually, that job also is quite difficult. Sometimes it depends where they will be assigned. Sometimes can I mean, not always inside the mall. But if example, if like outdoor, it's quite difficult also. I never been a safety ambassador. I mean, someone told me how difficult. One more thing guys, additional, if you are close contact with a COVID positive patient, you will have this quarantine order or SHN, stay home notice, that you really need to follow. So that's the good thing, no? The contact tracing here in Singapore is really, they're doing their job well done. They're doing their job well done. Ginagawa talaga nila yung best nila to stop this pandemic, to stop spreading this virus in Singapore, because you know Singapore is a very small country. Okay, I hope you'll learn something again from me, and I'm sorry. I'm trying to speak English. I'm trying to improve because I really want to, you know, for my international audience. So another info guys, so currently guys, if you want to dine out and you want to eat outside, so only 2 person can go and eat. So only applicable for those who have boyfriend, who have girlfriend. So but also if you're same household, you can do so, but as long as 2 person per table. So napaka-strict nila rito. Kaya ayun kinaganda rito. Kaya I feel really safe. Feel really safe here in Singapore. Anyway, etong rules na to, nababago naman to. Minsan, they will try to hindi, papaluwagin din naman nila pag lesser na yung mga transmission. So, ngayon kasi medyo marami pa ring transmission. That's why they are really naghihigpit sila. So, another info guys, here in Singapore, they really encourage work from home. So, if example, your job can do at home, so no need to go to your office. Sad to say, for us healthcare nurses, of course, we really need to go to the hospital, but I'm not complaining. I'm enjoying going out also. If I do work from home, for sure, I will always sleep. I cannot work at home. I will always feel sleepy here. So, other than that guys, I think that's it. So, thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you've learned something again and again. So, don't stop watching my vlog. And by the way guys, shout out to Team Partners and D Partners. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for support. Thank you for the admin of Team Partners and D Partners. Thank you Ate Aika. And also, shout out to Ate Ja Pera Channel. And to Joanne. And thank you again for my relative and friends who is always here to watch my vlog. And for my haters also, thank you for watching my vlog. It is additional view also, so please continue watching. So thank you again, bye bye. So for those who doesn't know me, I am Paolo Breach, your Pinoy nurse here in Singapore. Thank you. Continue watching my vlog, so you will see there what else you need to watch. Just click whatever it is there. Okay, bye bye. Time check, by the way guys, you know what time is it now? It is 3 a.m. in the morning. Actually, I just woke up, then I realized I need to finish this vlog. Okay, bye bye.